Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you can be using Mailchimp to send bulk emails. With bulk emails, I mean sending like a lot of emails to a lot of people, or one email to a lot of people at once. To do so, first of all, click on Campaigns, and let's create a new one. Here, I'm going to send a regular email, and basically I'm going to choose this one. Here, I'm going to name it bulk email template and click on begin. Once I have done that, here there are several things that I have to do. First, to whom I need to send this. You need to import contact to whom you would like to send. Now it depends on your contact and your plan. It's gonna give you exactly the amount of people that you will be sending this email to. Let's import contacts by clicking on import contact. We can import them in three several ways. So we can import them from another service, upload the file, or copy and paste. For us, I'm just gonna do the copy and paste option, and then I'm gonna go ahead and write here like Amelia at gmail.com. Let's do a comma, and then let's write a name, Amelia Camille 23, and here, for example, a phone number. Let's do 3333333, and then let's continue. Once we have done this, this will take us to another page where we have to give them exact fields for each of these. I'm going to click on continue for here, and as you can see, customer, stuff, etc, etc, etc. Click on continue again, and now we have to manage to give everything to its correct thing. So here, email address, they recognized it, first name. Here I'm going to give it last name. Here, birthday. Let's give, let's say birthday, and then phone number. Continue. Here, file as imports, complete imports, and then we will proceed to the next step. So start a campaign. I'm gonna go back here, exit, and I'm going to choose the audience that I have created. Then click on save, and here choose from your email address. Here put your subject. Here put send time when you want to send it, and here the contents. Once you have finished everything, click right here on send, and the email will be sent to every single one of your contacts that you have on Mailchimp. That was it for today's video, guys. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.